right, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Just finishing up this video after our class on Tuesday. Looking forward to seeing your assignments this next week. A lot of great questions from you all, so I'm really excited to see what you come up with. So next week we will actually start diving into each of these specific mindsets that we've been talking about. And next week we'll be focusing on awareness. When we talk about awareness, we're really talking about our brain's way of monitoring things that are both internal and external to who we are. Our brain is a very complex organism, and there's a lot of things that we can sort of utilize it for as we develop our awareness. When we talk about things that are conscious, we're really talking about things that we are aware of. Unconscious would be when we're sleeping or in a coma. But when we talk about being conscious, we talk about our ability for our brain to keep track of things both internally and externally, right? When you think about our stomach, when we feel hungry, that's when we eat because we have that awareness to know that, oh, my stomach feels empty, I need food in it, I'm going to put some food in it so I'm not hungry anymore. Again, as this picture shows, if there was a tiger running behind you, most likely you would start running, right? Because that is what our body tells us to do. When we see something that scares us, we run from it. So how does this sort of help us think about problem solving? For problem solving, where we're looking at the way that we can solve a problem, the answers will come out of it because the answer is not separate from the problem. So you really have to take both internal and external awareness when we're thinking about approaching a problem. And internal awareness is really about our emotional intelligence, which means the ability to perceive, respond, manipulate emotional information, and the ability to understand and manage emotions. Right? So that is our emotional intelligence. Can we respond to and understand emotions? So that is our internal awareness, because this is us having that self-awareness. For external awareness, this is what we sometimes will call situational awareness, and just by understanding what's happening around us, right? This picture here is a great example of someone not having an external awareness. They're just thinking about their own life, they're crossing the street, and they're not aware that a car is trying to turn behind them. So that would be an example of external awareness. So here's a little story that I'm going to tell you. Cleaning products, people are always looking to provide the best cleaning products so individuals are able to clean their homes, their apartments, their workplaces or their restaurants, etc. And back in the day, there was some idea people who wanted to come up with a better cleaner. And so they thought about mopping, and it's really messy and it gets everywhere and mopping isn't fun. So they were trying to figure out how to solve the problem. How can they clean up things in a better way? Well, what it turned out, what these designers realized, is that it's not actually about the mess that's on there. It's about the ease of cleaning it up. And because this mop is messy and challenging, what do you think they came up with? They came up with the Swiffer. And this is a way to say, hey, well, our problem was that the mop was really messy. Not that the product didn't do a good job in cleaning, but that the technique to clean wasn't helpful. So that's a way of showing awareness to the people and developing empathy for their problem. All right, folks, so that is the video for today. Remember that you are going to complete your project for next week, or that game for next week, so that's assignment number 3. You're obviously watching the video right now for week 4, and you'll take the quiz, and then you'll work on that small calendar assignment as well. Any questions at all at any time, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I hope to see you all soon.